Assalamu alaikum, hi, and welcome to raftplay.com. Today we are going to review this amazing scooter called the Beast. It's our newest arrival and one of our top sellers. As you can see, it's a complete beauty. With powerful 2000 watts motor on the backside and off-road tires size 11, you will also find the same motor in the front. Let me show you. There you go. So you see there are these 2000 watts motor on the front as well, and you can see these dual suspension right above the tire. So it's great for off-roading. It also comes with an LED light which is like really very strong and powerful. Let me switch it on for you. Yeah, there you go. So it's basically very powerful for night riding. The total watts on the scooter is 4000, and it also comes with a carry bag. I mean, it's like a carry case, like a small suitcase. You can like basically use it to put your stuff inside on the back, and there's a free toolkit also. You can put your charger, accessories, and maybe some of your own stuff. There's a small disc light. I mean, it's basically a brake light. So whenever you press the brake, the lights will go on. The scooter is pretty easy to fold. I'm just going to help you see the entire folding system here. As you can see, my team is just like, trying to fold it up. So it's pretty easy to fold. This is how you can fold the handles. We've just shown you one side of the folding, but you can fold both the sides of the handles the same way. You can see those arrows there, and basically that's all that you need to do. So yeah, it's pretty good. There are some side lights as well on the side board. The seat is pretty sturdy, nice. It's easy to fold. You can see the clip there, which can be used to fold the seat. The base is very wide. The deck is very wide. It comes with these remote control keys, and as you can see, there is an alarm. There are locking systems. It's got a smart digital meter with 3-speed mode. There is an eco mode. Let me just show it to you. Well, yeah, so on eco mode it goes up to 31 kilometers per hour. And let's go to the next mode now. So the next mode is the drive mode. Over here it will go up till, let's see, 49 kilometers. And next is the smart mode, guys. This is the fastest mode. Here you can see it goes up to 75 kilometers per hour. So wow, that's actually very strong. And now we're going to show you how to fold the seat and the scooter itself. There you go, the seat is out, and you can easily fold the seat handle by the push of a button. Now this is how you fold the front side. There's just one small button push. Hold it from the side. There you go. Pretty easy to fold and easy to carry. So that was the review of our Beast scooter. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Kindly do visit www.raftplay.com.